Char's Kitchen. It's a nice summer day, and today I am going to show you how to make fresh peach pound cake. This is delicious, especially when the peaches in South Carolina are at their peak. So we're going to begin with softened butter in your bowl, and it does make a difference. You want it to be soft so it'll blend up really nicely with your sugar. And then we are going to add our sugar right on top. And blend away. Okay, so this is nice and mixed together. Now we're going to add the eggs one at a time, and we have 6. So I've got that nice and blended, and then I'm going to add the dry ingredients. Got my flour. And a little bit of soda. And I have vanilla and almond extract. Gives it a really nice flavor. So this is mixed up. So now I have not thoroughly mixed this. I've always found that when I add fruit to a cake recipe, if there can be some flour around it, it helps it from clumping together and getting air pockets. So I've got some loose flour on top. I've already peeled and diced my fresh peaches. I used probably about 5 or 6 small medium, peeled and chopped. So I'm going to mix that in on top. And then I'm going to fold in 1/2 cup of sour cream. I've also found that making cakes, kind of like bread, the less mixing the better. It tends to keep out air pockets and just have a better consistency. So I've got it mixed up, and then I'll just blend it on low for a minute. I have my BUNDT pan all ready. I sprayed it, and I've actually put a little bit of flour in there also to just help it from sticking. This is going to bake for about 1.5 hours. So making sure you get this good and coated so it doesn't stick. And our final step is just pouring in the batter, and it will fill it right up. And we are ready to bake. We have taken our beautiful fresh peach pound cake out of the oven, and it's cooling. And now I'm going to show you a fig peach sauce to go over the top. So I got the pan at a medium heat, and I'm going to add about 1/2 cup or so of fig jam. Just happen to have some homemade preserves, but fig jelly or fig jam into the pan. And then we're gonna bring that to a low simmer. I also saved the peach juice and cut up another couple of peaches and let that marinate, and I added just a little bit of peach schnapps to the peaches. Gives it great flavor, and then as you boil it down, it takes out the alcohol but leaves a lot of the flavor. So we're gonna add the peaches. Fresh peaches and fig preserve and schnapps. So it's a nice thick consistency. I probably cooked this on the stove for about 5 minutes and let it cool just for a minute. Our cake is just warm to the touch, and we're going to take this and drizzle it over the top. Now you already know the best thing in the world with this is ice cream. Or actually it's good like this. A lot of times I try to make double the recipe of the mixture, and then when I slice it, I'll have enough to put on a spoonful of the preserves on top. Okay, and there we have our homemade summer peach pound cake. Enjoy.